Hey, well that's cool. Just found out I can do half zoom on my phone. So I have this one running just by itself right now. I'm gonna do them one at a time, make sure neither one's leaking, or not leaking, no, not mucking up the water, but yeah, getting it cleared up, and I dug more out, and this will be the final look of it. I'm done digging stuff up now, so but pretty good size. Yeah, so now I can start making everything look nice and getting her done. But yeah, now I can actually start putting some fish in here. Oh, there's a frog in here somewhere. I seen it yesterday. It just came out today. But it's getting clear. That's actually all underwater, that island. I might move this back a little further here, this side, over a little bit more. Have it go over here. But yeah, I'm just gonna I'm gonna spray this all out, all this stuff on the bottom, and doesn't seem like this one's mucking it up at all. I have the pump raised up in like a little basket thing, so shouldn't be sucking up any clay. I imagine the frog's up under the waterfall there somewhere. I raised this waterfall a little bit too. Used to only go to that level. Now it's up to there. Yep, now we just decorate it. Which will be fun. I've been debating about like a couple things that I want to do yet, so, and that was like with water falling down over here. If I wanted to add another one, have it split, then I figured it would be like, I don't know if my pump, I didn't want to have any more pumps than two, and I figured it would make it like trickle and not look like an actual waterfall. So this one's nice and it works. I'm done with that structure stuff, so now let's figure out what the rest of them is going to look like. Alright guys, have a good one.